Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, Samsung's latest fan edition smartphone that brings many flagship features at a more affordable price. If you want a phone with a premium design, a smooth display, solid cameras, and long software support without paying ultra-level money, then this device is definitely worth checking out. Samsung's FE lineup has always focused on balancing performance and value, and the Galaxy S25 FE continues that idea with a slimmer design, Galaxy AI features, improved cameras, and a powerful processor. But does it really deliver a flagship-like experience? Let's find out. Starting with the body and dimensions, the Galaxy S25 FE comes with a sleek and modern design. The phone measures around 161.3 millimeters in height, 176.6 millimeters in width, and just 7.4 millimeters in thickness, making it thinner than the previous generation. It weighs approximately 190 grams, so it feels premium yet comfortable in the hand. Samsung has used an armor aluminum frame with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection on both front and back. The device also carries an IP68 water and dust resistance rating, which means it can easily handle splashes, rain, and daily outdoor use. Moving to the display, the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE features a large 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The screen resolution is 2340 by 1080 pixels, delivering sharp visuals and vibrant colors. Samsung is known for excellent displays, and this phone continues that tradition with deep blacks, strong contrast, and great outdoor visibility. The display brightness can reach to 1900 nits, which makes watching videos, gaming, and using the phone under sunlight much more comfortable. Whether you are scrolling through social media or streaming movies, the experience feels smooth and premium. Now let's talk about the camera setup. On the back, the Galaxy S25 FE comes with the triple camera system. The main sensor is a 50-megapixel camera with optical image stabilization for stable and detailed shots. Alongside that, there is a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera for landscape photography and group shots, plus an 8-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. On the front, Samsung has included a 12-megapixel selfie camera capable of recording 4K video. In daylight, the cameras produce sharp images with natural colors and good dynamic range. Night photography is also improved thanks to Samsung's AI image processing. Video recording remains one of Samsung's strengths, especially for content creators and vloggers. When it comes to performance, the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE is powered by Samsung's Exynos 2400 processor, built on a 4-nanometer architecture. The chipset includes a deca-core CPU paired with the Xclipse 940 GPU. Daily performance feels fast and responsive, whether you're multitasking, gaming, editing photos, or using AI features. Apps open quickly, animations are smooth, and gaming performance is solid for most modern titles. While it may not completely match the top flagship processors in heavy gaming benchmarks, it still delivers a reliable and smooth experience for everyday users. Battery life is another important area, and Samsung has included a 4900 mAh battery inside the Galaxy S25 FE. The phone supports 45-watt wired fast charging, 15-watt wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging as well. With normal usage, the battery can comfortably last a full day. Whether you're watching videos, browsing social media, or attending online meetings, the phone manages power efficiently. On the software side, the device runs Android 16 with Samsung's One UI 8 interface. Samsung is also promising up to 7 years of Android and security updates, which is excellent for long-term users. The software experience feels polished, clean, and feature-rich. You also get Galaxy AI features such as Circle to Search, AI photo editing tools, live translation features, and smart assistant integrations. For security, the Galaxy S25 FE includes an in-display optical fingerprint scanner along with Samsung's Knox security protection. Facial recognition is also available for quick unlocking. Samsung's security system is considered one of the strongest in the Android ecosystem, which adds extra confidence for users storing personal data on their phones. In terms of network support, the phone is fully ready for modern connectivity with support for 5G networks, dual SIM functionality, and eSIM compatibility. Call quality and network stability are expected to be strong, especially in regions with advanced 5G infrastructure. Talking about connectivity, the Galaxy S25 FE includes Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, GPS support, and a USB Type-C port. Wireless connectivity feels modern and future-ready, making the phone suitable for accessories, fast file transfers, and smart ecosystem integration. For multimedia, Samsung has equipped the phone with stereo speakers that deliver loud and clear sound. Watching Netflix, YouTube, or listening to music feels immersive thanks to the AMOLED display and stereo audio setup. However, there is no 3.5mm headphone jack, so users will need wireless earbuds or USB-C audio accessories. So finally, should you buy the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE? The Galaxy S25 FE looks like a strong option for users who want a premium Samsung experience without spending flagship-level money. It offers a beautiful display, solid cameras, reliable battery life, AI-powered features, long software support, and a premium design. It may not be the most powerful gaming phone in its price range, but for everyday use, content creation, entertainment, and productivity, it delivers a balanced and polished experience. If you are already part of the Samsung ecosystem or looking for a dependable Android smartphone with long-term support, the Galaxy S25 FE could easily become one of the best value smartphones in its category. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.